When I was in primary 4, I had to start preparing for SSEE, the secondary school entrance examination. For the English paper, we had to memorize long lists of words. For example, we had to remember words that refer to male and female members of an animal, like a male lion is a lion and a female lion is a lioness. I also remember memorizing words that refer to the youngster of an animal species, like a young pig is called a piglet. And then of course there were the parts of speech, like beauty versus beautiful versus beautifully. And incidentally, in those days the verb beautify did not even exist. Overall, there were so many words to learn by heart, and English learning became a tedious, almost painful task for me and my classmates who were learning the spelling of each word by rote. But after a while, I happened to notice that very often there was a relationship between a sound and its spelling. For example, the spelling SH is usually said as sh, and CH as ch, and so on. And the ending LY is usually said as le, TION is usually said as shen, and so on. Soon, remembering word spellings became fun, and I felt like a spelling detective. I learned that if I could say a word correctly, there would be a good chance that I would be able to spell it correctly too. And remembering sound spelling relationships helped me to remember the pronunciation of words. Of course, at that time, I had no idea that what I was learning was in fact phonics. In fact, phonics didn't even exist in the English curriculum for schools in Hong Kong. When I went up to secondary school, my hobby in detecting sound spelling relationships continued. Each day, when I was walking to school, I would look at the street signs and the names of the shops that I walked past, and then I would try to pronounce them. Although there was no one I could ask to confirm my attempted pronunciations, the Chinese translation would provide partial confirmation. My pronunciation and my spelling continued to improve by leaps and bounds. I have kept this hobby until today. So today, when I'm window shopping in a large shopping mall, I entertain myself with the secret game of working out how to say the names of the shops, the designer labels, and so on. And to increase the challenge, I deliberately look for names that obviously have a non-English origin. So how do we say this word? And this? And this? What about this? So actually this is what phonics is all about. And believe me, phonics is not only useful, it's actually great fun.